name is Fanisha Fancy. Welcome back in our YouTube channel. This is EMS-AFRICA. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe. Our discussion is on first aid management for dislocation and sprain. Enjoy the video.
Yes, my leg. I think it's a sprain. Can you help me?
Sit here, please. Rest your leg here. We will use deep freeze, gloves, bandage. Do not use this. Left that. Well, now gloves. Shake it. We are gonna put bandage. Now we are finished bandaging the legs. Remember the word rise. Press the leg in the most comfortable position. Use deep freeze or ice. Don't use this if you used after 24 hours. If you don't have this, you can use ice. Then compress the bandage as shown here. Elevate the leg, and that's the rise.
Good. I'm feeling better now. Thank you.
Well, you're welcome. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.